Hello and welcome to this new video on how to private a Reddit community. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of its choice, and in the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just type Reddit on the search bar and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown to you. Just click on the first search result, that is Reddit, and the Reddit interface will be shown to you. And in the left hand side, on the communities icon, there will be the communities that you have created. So you just have to click on the community that you have created, and it will show you the communities that has been created by yourself. And next thing you have to do is look at to the right hand side. There is an more tool options. Click on the more tools button and it will open a new interface. And when you are inside the interface, just look at the left hand side and you just have to scroll down until you see the general setting button. Just click on the general setting button, and when it is open, you just need to scroll down and there is a topic that says types of community, and on the bottom of types of community there is an private option. You can just click on the private option and click on the save changes that is on the top of the right hand side, and your community is private. So this is how you can private a Reddit community. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.